This one's allegedly a hard SAT problem. It is not hard. It's really very easy. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where angle A corresponds to angle D, and angle C corresponds to angle F. This part's really important. Angles C and F are right angles. If tangent A is 50/7, what's the value of tangent E? Okay, there is no avoiding. You have to draw some triangles here. They're similar triangles, so we're just going to draw two triangles that are actually pretty much the same. And it says that they're right triangles. Really, the hardest part of this problem is getting the points on the triangles right. So what are the right angles? C and F. I'm going to make this right here A. I'll make this point right here B. So I'll make this point right here D. Make this guy right here E. And I'm going to stop and check it. You should too. A corresponds to D. Okay, those are in the same places. C corresponds to F. Okay, I'm golden. Tangent A is 50/7. What's the value of tangent E? So visualize that to yourself. Write it down. Make it big. You do not have to know anything about any trigonometry to get every trigonometry question on the SAT right, except one thing. You have to know SOH CAH TOA, and you have to know how it works. In SOH CAH TOA, I always just write it down on every trig problem. Sine, cosine, tangent. Which one do we want? We want tangent, so we want TOA. TOA is opposite over adjacent. So the opposite over adjacent for angle A is 50/7. And what's it mean in terms of the triangle? Well, it means the opposite side from angle A is 50. You ought to be able to know that. It's the one across from it. That side's 50, BC. The adjacent side is 7. Adjacent means next to. Oh no, there's two sides next to angle A. Well, that's true. This is next to it, but this is the hypotenuse right here, AB. And hypotenuse is these H's. Okay, so adjacent is the one that's next to it that's not the hypotenuse. So that means this side, CA, is 7. Okay, cool. So you're looking for tangent of E. What do you think the sides are here for this triangle DEF? Well, I mean, let's just use 50 and 7. They're similar, right? Okay, so once again, tangent. What's tangent? It's O over A, opposite over adjacent. Well, what do you think the opposite side is from angle E? It's across from it. That's what opposite means. So it's 7. And then what's adjacent? Oh no, there's two sides that are adjacent, but one of them is the hypotenuse. Plus, this is the one we know, right? It's 50. So it's 7/50, because the adjacent side is 50. Could this allegedly hard problem really be this easy? Yes, 7/50 is the answer. That is it.